Hi guys, I hope you're doing great today. Well, this is our second Linux tutorial in which we will learn how we can change the SSH port on a Linux VM. First of all, we should know that what is SSH. SSH stands for Secure Shell. The SSH protocol is an essential protocol for securely accessing and managing remote servers. It encrypts all the communication, ensuring that data remains protected from unauthorized access. By default, SSH runs on port 22. It's the default port of SSH protocol. And why do we need to change this SSH port to any other random port number? The default port 22 is often targeted by the brute force attacks. Therefore, changing the SSH port can enhance the security by reducing the likelihood of automated attacks. Therefore, it is recommended that you should change the SSH port, which is 22 by default, to any other random number. The other question that should come up in your mind is that whether changing the SSH port will affect your server's performance. Well, the answer is no. There would be no impact of changing the SSH port on your server's performance. Now let's change the SSH port on our VM practically. Okay guys, now let's change our SSH port. Let me access my VM. First of all, you should know that I am accessing my VM with default port 22. If I load it, you can see this is my private IP and this is the default port. So I have not changed it from 22 to any other number, and in this tutorial we will change it and we will access our VM to any other port number. So DevOps Molvi is my username. I am in my VM and the SSH configuration is located in etc. So I will go to etc and SSH. So this is the file actually that needs to be changed, sshd underscore config. But we need to have the root privileges to change our port number. You must know that. So I will open it with sudo nano sshd underscore config. It is asking me for the password. I will give the password. Now you can see that the default port is 22 and it is commented. So I will uncomment and now I will change my SSH port. So let's suppose that I want to change it to 3022. Okay, and this would be my SSH port. So that's the only change we need to make while changing the SSH port. So I will save the changes and after that I would need to restart my SSH service, which is sudo service ssh restart. Now I would try to access my VM. Duplicate session. Now you can see that I am not able to access from port 22, which was default. You can see that my default port was 22 and I am not able to access my VM. It is refusing the connection. So I would need to change the port here, which should be 3022 and 3022, and you can see that and now you can see I'm able to access the VM. Now DevOps Molvi and I am authenticated. Since my firewall on the VM is already disabled, so I didn't have to add that port into my firewall. That would be a separate lecture how we can add ports into the firewall. So the firewall is already disabled, and if you are accessing your EC2 VM, make sure that you should add that port in the security group. Now I would try to change any other port again for our practice. So I will go to etc ssh, sorry, sudo nano etc ssh and sshd underscore config. I will change password. I will change it to you can see 5022. Alright, 5022. Yes, but this time I will not restart the SSH service. So we need to check whether our VM is still accessible on the old port, which is 3022. New session. I will change the port from 22 to our older port 3022, and you can see that my VM is still accessible on the old port, which was 3022. So guys, this is important. DevOps Molvi, and I can still access my VM on 3022. Well, and the port in our SSHD is 5022. Therefore, we need to restart our SSH service so that the changes can reflect. Now I will restart service SSH restart command for Ubuntu. You can see my SSH service has been restarted. Now I will try once again login with the same old port, which is 3022, and it is refusing. Alright, now I will try to log in via 5022. We should be able to log into our VM. 5022. Alright, you can see that the host key is not cached for this server. Port is 5022, and I will accept. So DevOps Molvi, and I'm authenticated. So that's how we can change our SSH port on any Linux VM. After that, if there is any firewall active, let's see that sudo ufw uncomplicated firewall, which is Ubuntu's default firewall status. You can see that it is inactive. So I have disabled the firewall. If the firewall was enabled, we need to allow these new ports in our firewall as well. But since that's a full separate lecture on how we can add rules in our firewall, and we will have a full lecture on firewall, add new rules and edit rules on UFW. That's it for today's short tutorial on how to change SSH port on any Linux VM. It is highly recommended that you should change the SSH port to any other number. Like you saw, I have changed from 22 to 3022 and 5022, and after that we need to restart SSH servers. And also, if the firewall was enabled, we have to add, and if the firewall was enabled, we have to add that port in our firewall's rule. We will cover it in a full separate tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will disable our root access to the VM, so no one can log into our VM with root user or password, or using the SSH keys for root user. So I will see you in the next video.